British Virgin Island, a Jamaican chef has been arrested for stealing a customer's phone. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Rastafari over here on deeprootstv. This is the first time you're tuning into the Rastafari channel. Hit that red button, and we're going to have a great relationship. A Jamaican chef has been arrested by the police in British Virgin Islands for allegedly stealing a cell phone that belongs to a customer who visited the restaurant where he worked, according to the Caribbean media. Citing police reports, and victim purchased food at the restaurant but later realized that his cell phone was missing. He returned to the restaurant to search for the device but did not find it. Reports are that the victim then used the tracking feature to locate the cell phone, and result reveals the device was at the restaurant. After being alerted, the police then went to the restaurant and requested the CCTV footage from the operators. The footage allegedly showed that 42-year-old Jamaican chef at the restaurant had removed the cell phone the customer left on the counter. The chef was later arrested and charged with theft. Following the incident, and with an increase in theft across the territory, the authorities have urged business and residents to install CCTV camera, as they have proven to be a vital source in fighting crime. Ladies and gentlemen, another Jamaican gone abroad, gone flex like a fraud. Onoto leke nyami nyami and thief. Subscribe, like and share to the channel if you want to hear the truth from Deep Roots. More life, more joy, more nappiness.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them so thank you, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove catcher. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Whoa, fire key, Rastafari soldier real fire key. Yeah,
Pick up Deep Roots TV.